Okay, it's time. It's time for day 13. 13. It really is time for day 13. Better on a solid background. Bring this up here so you can see it. This is from Connie Creatives. Very cute. Ooh, this looks witchy. We have a bottle of poison. We have a cauldron with the moon and stars. Ish, maybe. Potions, spells, bread. So yeah, a nice pagan collection. So what will we do with this? Well, I'm all for using the little mushroom cottage. I think that's adorable. Uh-oh. Maybe I've gotten a little too carried away. We're gonna have to start cramming things in here. Okay, mushroom cottage. Let's try putting up the menu. Put it right there. And we have a little black kitty for day 13. That makes sense. It's not Friday necessarily, but 13. There we go. What can we add to the bottom from this one? How about a love potion? Because everyone should have a love potion at their disposal if they need it, right? Sure, sure. That seems fair. There we go, day 13 accomplished.